ipaglalaban. Huwag mong ipaglaban ang trabaho mo. Huwag mong ipaglaban ang pera mo. Ang ipaglaban mo, pamilya mo. Marami sa atin, sobrang tapang, pati mali ipinaglalaban. Pamilya mo lang po, mga kapatid, ang mananatili hanggang sa dulo. That's why if you're a failure in your life, in your family, tayo ulit. Bakit? Because God has a purpose for you. God doesn't care if you fail. In fact, God already knew that you will fail. But listen to me, you can get up, you can overcome, you can move on, you can still fight. Bakit? Because your purpose is better and greater than your failure.